Welcome back, everyone. I'm Kamal Segal Sood. You're watching the series Plants in My Balcony, and we'll be talking about a very common plant in everybody's home, and that is Bryophyllum, जिसको हिंदी में कई बार हम कहते हैं कलौंचे. So let's go about it. Calonche Bryophyllum is a group of plant species of the family Crassulaceae which is native to Madagascar. अब ये प्लांट जो है कलौंचे फैमिली में बिलोंग करते हैं. ये जितने भी प्लांट्स हैं, एक और वीडियो हमने बनाई थी मदर ऑफ थाउजेंड विच ऑल्सो कम्स अंडर द जीनस कैलॉन्चे. ये दोनों के दोनों प्लांट्स इस जीनस में हैं बिकॉज दे एक्चुअली रिप्रोड्यूस एसेक्सुअली, not by flowers, by their leaves. The leaves of Calonche genus plants are fleshy, leaves thick होती हैं, and the leaves के margin पे, the margin of the leaves basically act as a means of vegetative reproduction in Bryophyllum species. So ये जो basically इनकी peculiar characteristic है वो इनको दूसरे plant से differ करती है, that the leaf margins are basically responsible for the production of new plants. Bryophyllum is very important in medicines, not only in ancient Indian medicines but otherwise all traditional medicines में, because it helps in many of the diseases. ईयर एक कान के दर्द में हेल्प करता है, बर्न्स में हेल्प करता है, अल्सर्स में हेल्प करता है, इंसेक्ट बाइट्स में हेल्प करता है अगर कोई इंसेक्ट काट ले, डायरिया में, और सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट जो उसका ट्रेडिशनल ट्रीटमेंट है दैट इज़ इन हाई बीपी, हाइपरटेंशन एंड ऑल्सो इन द ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ किडनी स्टोन्स. Bryophyllum की जो leaves हैं, they have a very special property. It is believed that the leaves, the use of leaves act against the kidney stones. You have to consume 4 to 5 leaves with a glass of water first thing in the morning for about 2 months, and it is believed that the stones in the kidney basically gets removed by eating the leaves. So this is one thing that has been traditionally used. Bryophyllum को हम traditionally इसके लिए use करते आ रहे हैं since many times in ancient Indian medicines. इसको हिंदी में हम एक और नाम से जानते हैं जिसको हम कहते हैं पत्थर चट. Now Bryophyllum can be grown very easily indoors without any problem, and it's just that the pot should be placed behind the sun, in a room where you are getting indirect sunlight. Even the indirect sunlight for the plant will be sufficient. The Bryophyllum does not require much water. बहुत ज़्यादा पानी की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Water only when the soil is completely dry. Do not allow the leaves to get wet as it may cause the rotting of leaves. And it is important कि हम जो पानी दें that is of normal temperature, room temperature. And in winters, even if you are watering this plant once in a week, that will be sufficient for the plant. Plants enjoy full sun and dry, neutral to acidic soil, and you can always provide them with tap water. इनफैक्ट इसी स्पीशीज़ का एक और प्लांट, बहुत ही सुंदर प्लांट हमने डिस्कस किया हुआ है पहले, आप उसको देख सकते हैं. आई विल पुट द लिंक इन द आई बटन. दैट इज़ मदर ऑफ थाउजेंड्स. इट ऑल्सो कम्स अंडर द जीनस कैलॉन्चे एंड इट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल प्लांट टू हैव इन योर गार्डन. Now, as you can see, we already have a small pup growing in the pot, which is almost reddish in color. This plant has grown on its own. I've just told you कि लीफ मार्जिन से अपने आप लीफलेट्स निकल आती हैं जो बेसिकली प्लांट रिप्रोडक्शन में हेल्प करती हैं. एंड दीज लीफलेट्स बेसिकली फॉल इन द पॉट्स में ही वो गिरती रहती हैं और उससे न्यू प्लांट्स निकलते हैं. सो दिस इज़ वन प्लांट in which there is no they are very easy to propagate. You can have many plants from a single parent plant क्योंकि leaflet के margins से there are so many hundreds of basically the small plants arise and they basically fell into the same pot and they grow into new plants. So very easy plant, semi hardy plant, easy to maintain plant which requires less water, less sunlight, and it has many health benefits. So this plant was in addition to the medicinal plants that we have shared from our balcony. I hope that you have liked this plant, and if you don't have it, please bring it home because it has a lot of benefits and it is easy to maintain. Hope you are liking our videos. Please give your suggestions in the comment box so that we can work upon them, and also give suggestions for the new topics that you want to see in the videos. Thank you so much for watching, everyone.